Well guys, in this video, one of the tips that I can give you is the following. I'll show you one of the very important things is that the sunroof is always aligned with the body of the car. So if it is not properly aligned, probably the screw that holds the sunroof is loose and ended up lowering the sunroof. Hence, it's always important that it fits perfectly, both at the front and the back. Here's another tip I'm going to give you. I'll raise the sunroof to show you this rubber piece that we have behind the sunroof. A lot of people have never noticed, but it can come loose. You see, this rubber piece can become loose and sometimes the roof fits poorly and ends up pulling the rubber out. So always keep an eye on it to see if the rubber on your sunroof is properly fitted. If not, push it back with your finger. Okay? To fit it properly, here another tip that I'll show you. Let me see if I can find a better way here. I'll open the roof so you can see it even better, and I'll also show you the adjustments we have on the car's roof. For example, now you will be able to see clearly this screw here. If you loosen it, you can adjust the sunroof up and down. This other screw here too, if you loosen this, you can adjust the sunroof up and down as well. So this screw here, it has an adjustment hole where you can adjust it higher and lower just in case the sunroof is misaligned on the side. From outside the car, you can adjust it, push it a bit higher or lower. In addition to these two screws, we have one more screw that is located on the outside that I will show you now. Here you see this screw, it has a height adjustment. In my case, it's adjusted all the way down because the roof is raised the maximum. But what could happen? It's when this screw loosens and one side of the sunroof becomes lower than the other, or it gets higher. So this is where you also adjust the height. You can adjust its height. Just loosen it, adjust it higher or lower so that you can fit the roof perfectly in the hole of the sunroof so that it doesn't stick out. It's neither up nor down, okay? It goes straight to the roof so that you can see. Let me just put it here. Let me try to hold it. If any water comes into contact, it will directly fall onto the roof of the car. I'm going to press it inside the lining of the roof, see? You can see that it's moving because it's exactly inside the car. So I believe that the drains of Audi A3 are at the bottom towards the parking area. Beyond the car, I also believe that in addition to being deep inside, the drains for the sunroof that wash away water, they must pass through here, in this rear column near the back seats. Just for your reference, the drain should go here in this column and pass through the trunk and exit at the wheel well. That's where I'm going to disassemble it and show you. However, the obstacle is that it's difficult for us to clean it right there if we want to clean it. When it's at the front, it's much easier. When it's here at the front, it's much more simple for us to clean it. When it's at the rear of the sunroof, it's much more challenging for us to clean this drain. You need to insert something. Insert a small hose to blow out the dirt from inside the drain, or even insert some pipe to push the dirt out. So, it's very hard for us to clean the drain right. I didn't find it at the front, doesn't mean it isn't there, but I haven't been able to locate it. I could be wrong. If anyone knows where it is, please inform us. But my guess is that the drain should be here at this rear part and should run through this side column. Here from the rear window, it should come out here. Okay, I can't find it because my car is quite low. I even think it might not be on this side, but on the opposite side. Let's go over there to see if we can discover it. Let's go around this car. Anyway, I think it seems to come out in the wheel well. I'm almost certain it comes out in the wheel well. Now, I'm not sure if this pipe is the breather for the tank that comes out here because I genuinely can't see where the end of it is, whether it's an open pipe or not. I believe it must be the tank breather, probably not the sunroof. But I think it's the tank breather. If it is the sunroof, that's excellent, but as it's on the side of the tank, I guess it's the tank breather itself. Anyway, these were the tips I wanted to share with you. I'm here to assist you, clear up your doubts about how to maintain the sunroof, to set it at the correct height to prevent issue with the sunroof. How can you ensure it is at the correct height? To adjust it, nobody illustrates this on YouTube or explains it. This issue that it always need to be addressed. Right here, it always has to be aligned at the side height here and at the rear height here too. And this rubber, you can tighten it if it is misplaced. So, this is content brought to you by the Nober Motorsport channel, a channel that is the only one in Brazil that talks about coding. I'm the first to speak about coding in Brazil. In Brazil, delivering coding content, doing coding,